Hey guys, hope your day is going well. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been with us before, I don't know if you can see it, there's a sculpture over there. This corner is very neglected. I'm gonna move this pile. The corner is cleaned out. This portion of the path I have straightened out. No matter what, I have to move this bench as much as I can towards this other sculpture. Stand them all up on end here, kind of so that I can have access to all the different pieces. Alright, I placed the landscape beams that I was telling you about. They're just laid against the fence. They're not anything permanent. Then I was chased off by the hot sun, and then chased off by the pouring rain. It was harder on me than I thought it would be, but what else is new? Now I'll spread the dirt out. But I took a stone and using the flat edge of the stone, basically using it as a tamper. And you go across it both ways, and it really knocks down any high spots. Still have quite a bit of dirt left. I had this all leveled at one point. I'm using what I call the poor man's level. The fully completed floor pad for my 10-foot by 4-foot shed.